In this video, you will learn how to make edits to the header and footer of your website. For this lesson, we'll hover over the Divi icon near the bottom of the left sidebar menu in the dashboard view and click on Theme Builder. Here, you'll see all the available page templates that are set up on your website. The gray areas indicate custom templates that are applicable only to the pages to which the templates are assigned. Bright green areas are global sections that carry over across the whole website. The two global sections of interest are what we call the header and footer of the website, or the top and bottom sections that you see on all pages and that typically contain important components like the navigation menu and the logo. To edit the header, we'll simply need to click on the white pencil Edit icon to open up the builder. Once it loads up, you will see that it opens up in a visual builder format with sections, rows, and modules, as well as the purple global menu button. Here, you can switch out logo images, update button text and links, and manage the header just as you would a page using the Visual Builder. If you need a refresher on how the Visual Builder works, please review the lesson titled Visual Builder Introduction. Once you've saved and published your changes, by clicking the purple circle icon to open the global menu and clicking the green Save button, you can click on the Exit icon in the upper right corner of the screen to exit the editor. Editing the footer is no different than the header. You merely need to click the Edit icon for the global footer to enter the Visual Builder interface, make your edits, and save and publish your changes. If you are looking to update the header navigation menu items or quick links section in the footer, please see our next lesson titled Editing Navigation Menus, as the menus are dynamic and handled in another area of the website. We'll see you in the next lesson.